I welcome all the governing board members of BSSCT, Shri Ghanshyam Das ji, Shri Gaur Sharan ji, Shri Lalit Kishore ji, Shri Ramesh Chandra Supariwale ji, Shri Hiranmay ji. We welcome you all, sir. Sir, please दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए इस तरफ आ जाएं.
समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Welcome, dear seniors. Please enjoy the evening. The session 2012 to 13 has been so much fun. It has been such a roller coaster ride for all of us so far. So many ups and downs we have seen. And now we are here to celebrate the 3 years of bonding that we have shared with our beloved seniors. To cherish and to feel the happiness of our bonding and the lifetime of relationship that will be enduring in our hearts. Welcome, dear seniors, and please enjoy the evening.
पुरानी जीन्स और गिटार, मोहल्ले की वो छत और मेरे यार, वो रातों को जागना, सुबह घर जाना, कूद के दीवार, बस यादें 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 रह जाती हैं, कुछ छोटी मोटी बातें रह जाती हैं, बस यादें. Dear seniors, now let's start with the function and we hope that you'll enjoy the evening. Now we are calling upon Soumya Bansal, CS 3rd year, to share some thoughts.
Sir, please be seated. Please, seniors. Dear seniors, please be seated.
Thank you all to giving your valuable time to us. As we all know, in the last 4 years, you had some good and some not too good moments. Motivated and guided us at every difficult situations. I can remember when I came into this college in the first year, I was worried how I will be going to survive here. But now, this moment, I can't even remember why I thought something like that. You all have been so generous to us that before I can capture these wonderful moments, time slipped. There also been some misunderstanding between us, but wait, these make memories ever more worthy recalling. But it's all over now. We are here bidding you farewell. Farewell is a beautiful and a soft word, and yet it is a horrible and a heavy thing too. So we just have tonight to celebrate बस आज अभी. कतरा कतरा वक्त गुजर जाएगा. Now for the show, bring it on. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over mic to Alok.
So, after the journey, we have a rock star with a guitar, Mayank Garg from Mechanical 3rd year. Please come on the stage, Mayank.
Please give a round of applause for Mayank. Please give a round of applause from Mayank Garg, Mechanical 3rd year.
हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई. ये ना पूछो यो कैसी बात हो गई.
Okay, seniors, please be seated.
वो अचानक आ गए यूं नजर